Lankan workers have gone on strike in defiance of a government ban to protest against a rescue plan for the bankrupt island nation, forcing the closure of some hospitals, banks and ports. President Ranil Wickremesinghe is facing a public backlash over steep tax hikes and spending cuts imposed to secure a sorely needed International Monetary Fund or IMF bailout. On Wednesday, about 40 trade unions, including government hospital staff and bank employees, stopped work. Doctors at the National Hospital of Sri Lanka in the commercial capital of Colombo said only emergency cases were being treated while appointments were cancelled at private clinics and hospitals. Bola Tinubu has won a tight race to succeed Muhammadu Buhari as the next president of Nigeria. According to final election results, the 70-year-old fulfilled his lifelong goal by winning the presidency of Africa's most populous nation with 8.8 million votes. Despite questions about his health and past corruption allegations, the two-time Lagos governor will succeed Buhari, a former army general he brags of helping out to put him into power. As per reports, his ruling All Progressive Congress or APC faces accusations of electoral frauds in polls that took place over Saturday and Sunday from its two main opponents. On Wednesday, Taiwan's defense ministry said that it had spotted 19 Chinese Air Force planes in its air defense zone in the past 24 hours. Taipei calls the alleged incursion regular harassment by Beijing. Taiwan, which China views as its own territory, has complained for the past 3 years or so of stepped-up Chinese military activities near the island as Beijing seeks to assert its sovereignty claims. China has said that its activities in the area are justified as it seeks to defend its territorial integrity and to warn the United States against colluding with Taiwan despite the anger this causes in Taipei. Taiwan's defense ministry said that 19 J-10 fighters had flown into the southwestern corner of the island's Air Defense Identification Zone or ADIZ. On Wednesday, powerful earthquake of 6.5 magnitude hit Papua New Guinea at a depth of 582.6 kilometers. The earthquake struck the Kimbe region of Papua New Guinea. On 26th of February, the island nation of Papua New Guinea was struck by another powerful earthquake which measured 6.2 on the Richter scale. The Monday earthquake hit the Kandrian region in the country. There were no reports of loss of life or property.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.